You bring the colors to my gray. With you each day becomes a play. I see you and I feel you. I hear you and I love you. You walk a path no one has known, like fire that forever burns alone. I see you and I feel you. I hear you and I love you. You are my elixir, like hot water on paper, like air that softly flows, that carries joy wherever it goes, like light that never fades, like a dream that never decays. You are my elixir, my inner frontier. You'll always walk with me and keep the world turning endlessly. You dance in rain with wild delight. You're loud when silence feels just right. I see you and I feel you. I hear you and I love you. You give life its melody, and your voice sounds like never before to me. I see you and I feel you. I hear you and I love you. You are my elixir, like hot water on paper, like air that softly flows, that carries joy wherever it goes, like light that never fades, like a dream that never decays. You are my elixir, my inner frontier. You'll always walk with me and keep the world turning endlessly. It's hard to believe everyone knows your face. You make hearts grow and never lose your grace. You are